Okay, so in the last lecture, we have seen how we can create a dashboard out of a report. Now I'll show you how you can edit this particular dashboard for a particular phone layout view. So you can change the layout of the dashboard for particular phones. Suppose this is how it looks like in the web, in the desktop version, but you want to change this layout, change the layout of the dashboard when you want to see it in the mobile app. So you can change this by clicking here. You can see this shows the web view, and you can click on the phone view to edit it. So it will ask you, when you switch to the phone version, tiles on the dashboard will appear in the customized view on all phones. Okay, so let's see how it looks like in the web, in the desktop version. So you can see this. As of now, it will, if I see my particular report in any Android or iOS phone, it will look like this. Why? Because this is, we have pinned the whole page in our dashboard, so everything is coming all together. We have pinned this particular visual uh, differently to our dashboard, so it is coming in a different way, while this whole page is shown whole together because we have pinned the pin live page. So when you'll see in the mobile view, this will not really look quite good because you cannot really see how this looks like. While if you pin a particular visual one by one, you can really create a good dashboard out of it. So this is how it is look right now. Let's create a good dashboard for the phone layout view. So I'll quickly jump back to my report of website analysis, and I'll make a dashboard out of it. So this will be particular for my phone layout. So my report has loaded. Now what I want is, firstly I want all these buttons in my dashboard. I'll quickly just pin them there. 1, 2 and 3. There you go. You will get this notification every time you pin any visual. So now I'll pin this particular visual to my website analysis dashboard. I will pin this particular visual. So what we are doing is, we are doing it just for our phone view, how this will look in our phone. All right, so I also want this particular sessions to look in my phone, and my bounces as well of my website. Okay, so this has been done. Now we'll go in the phone layout view. So I'll go to my dashboard. I'll jump back to my website analysis dashboard. So this is my dashboard. As you can see, I first made pin live page whole. So this whole is coming all together. Then this particular visuals, they are coming one by one. So this is how this should look like. If you want to edit it for a Power BI mobile app, then they should come all alone, because it would be very easy for you to manage when you want to see them in a mobile view. So let's see, so let's make it quite good for the phone view. So for web view, this whole page looks good, so we won't delete this particular one. So now let's change or edit it for our phone view. So first of all, I don't want this for my phone view, so I'll click on hide tile up here. When I click on hide tile, it will come back into this particular unpinned sections. So first I want my these buttons on my phone dashboard. So these three came in the beginning. Then I want my drill down donut chart. Then I want my bar graph. So they are coming one after the other. You can also resize these buttons just like this. There you go. Just try to make changes as per your choice, like this. There you go. If you have 4 buttons, you can add one more here. I'll just add my drill down donut up here. So you have to use as per your requirement to make it more visually attractive. I'll just showing you how this thing is done. There you go. Then this, then some particular numbers up here, just like that. Okay, so when I'll view this in my phone, this is how it will look like. These three particular, let me make this zoom so that it looks good now. Okay, so firstly I'll see these three buttons, then I'll see my bar graph, then my session, this my graph, then these particular numbers in KPI card format, and then I want this. So this is how it will look like in the phone view. So that's how you can change the phone view. You can again go to the web view and view it. So for the web, the dashboard will remain the same, but for the phone, you have just edited it, and when you will view this dashboard in your phone layout, in your mobile app of your Android or iOS, this would look really good as you have just edited it. So that's how this thing is done. I hope you understood it, and always you can ask me anything about if you have any kind of doubts. So we'll continue our work in the next lecture, and thank you.